she has shown the world that the pen is definitely mightier than the sword. Meet Aranya Johar, the 19-year-old spoken word artist who went viral last year for her decidedly honest take on what it means to be a young woman in India today.
So I wear my jeans long and wear my tops high, don't show my cleavage or a hint of my thighs. Cause if I wear less, I'm more than just flaunting it, I'm risking it. I had a voice and opinion, but they muted my sound, probably because I was told boys only like girls who are fair and lovely.
This brown girl is unapologetically a feminist. Aranya, you're still a teenager and already a viral sensation. How?
Early 2017, Simar, who runs Underrace, got in touch with me. He was like, hey, I love your work, but why does it die on stage? Why does it live for only 4 minutes on stage? The first time I performed Brown Girls Get a Gender was for him. It was very overwhelming because the thing with me is I don't really perform a lot of women's issues because I feel like it's things you've already heard.
Okay, we need to ask you this. Do you bunk classes?
No. If my teachers are watching, then I do not. But there are days I just need to relax, watch a good comedy film and just take the day off and nap as much as I can.
From representing India on international platforms to being vocal about women's issues, Aranya is proof that not all millennials are entitled.
Let me cut you off there, but let's also play Jenga. I feel like everyone has this whole idea that millennials are very entitled and really foolish, but I feel like millennials are changing the world. The fact that we have accessibility to so much information at such a young age really helps us learn more and create change within our capacity.
She finds inspiration in pretty much everything that challenges her.
I feel challenges really inspire me because I like creatively applying myself and being put in a situation where I have to think outside of the box. So I feel like if I was ever to start working, which I'm hopefully plan to begin soon, I would want something that pushes me every day to do something different, to be a little uncomfortable to a point where I have to learn more and research more and create things right from scratch. And I feel like you can tell the difference between a piece that has taken time and a piece that was written at the moment, and you can really feel my emotions with rushed pieces because it feels a lot quicker and there's a whole rush. But my pieces that I've taken time with are a lot more artistic and creative, but I feel like I enjoy being a little bit of both.
Putting your material out on the internet sometimes comes with truckloads of negativity. As an artist, how do you deal with it?
There's no way you can appeal to everyone. There's no way you can have everyone enjoy your work or your personality. If anything is to happen, it'll happen for a cause that's bigger than I am. And there have been multiple women who have sacrificed or who have been sacrificed because of talking about things like this, and I'm no less. And I wouldn't want to be considered any less than that. But at the end of the day, I feel like the love gets really overwhelming sometimes as well. I've had so many girls tell me that they started writing because of me, or they started appreciating their brown skin because of me. And even in general, when I see the women I look up to appreciating my work, that means so much to me because I started writing or got more into writing because of these women.
It took one spoken word poem, A Brown Girl's Guide to Gender, to tell the world that Aranya is here to stay. And this is only the beginning. From collaborations to seminars and conferences, she's already winning battles while leaving people in awe. So what's next?
So I do want to experiment with some non-poetry. Thank you so much. Let's go outside. I really do want to experiment with some non-poetry stuff as well, because I still feel like I'm a very young artist, and if I don't use my experience as a young artist and also as my age, try to do new things and try new things, then what's the point?
And who says feminists don't dress up? Aranya loves wearing bindis with everything and also takes her beauty quite seriously.
I also love experimenting with makeup. I rock a classic winged eyeliner. I think it really defines me. And I've been trying little by little to step up my makeup game. I look at it as a hobby because I think makeup is an art in itself.
This teenager is definitely a role model for other young women. But who are the women that inspire her?
To name a few, definitely Faye D'Souza, Beena Palikal, Rega Jha, and also Supriya Joshi, because they're all very confident, hardworking, intelligent women, and that's something I would love to be in the future.